In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image gallery in WordPress. This is a great way to enhance the visual appeal of your site and showcase collections of photos or artwork. Let's dive right in and get started. First off, you need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, head over to the Pages section on the left-hand menu. You'll be looking for the page where you want to add your gallery. And for our example, we've already created what's called a gallery page. Go ahead and click on it to open. Now that you're on your chosen page, look for the plus button. This is your gateway to adding all sorts of content blocks to your page, and the image gallery is no exception. Once you've found the plus button, the next step is to simply start typing gallery into the search bar. This action will bring up the gallery block option. Once you've located the gallery block, you'll have two options: upload or media library. If you have new images that you haven't uploaded to your WordPress site yet, you'll want to choose upload. This will allow you to select files directly from your computer. Alternatively, if your images are already part of your site's media library, you can select from there. Take a moment here to choose the images you want to include in your gallery. You can select single or multiple files, depending on the gallery's size. This is your creative space, so take the time to curate what best fits the theme or purpose of your gallery. Once you have your images selected, you'll want to click Create a New Gallery. This action will prepare your chosen images as a set ready to be inserted. Next, you'll click on Insert Gallery, and just like that, your selected images will be placed on your page in a gallery format. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the images appear on your page. Now that your gallery is active and visible, it's time to get a bit creative. Try exploring the various options available to customize it. From adjusting the number of columns to adding effects, there are plenty of ways you can tailor the gallery to fit your style. Also, remember you can add captions to each image, providing context or descriptions, which can be a great addition, especially for portfolios or informational sites. And there you have it. You've successfully created an image gallery on your WordPress page. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to explore and experiment with different styles and options for your galleries. Have a wonderful time enhancing your website's appearance.